Hi, and thanks for watching another one of our Iron Patches videos. In this video, we're going to show you how to repair a pair of shorts using our ultra thin backing patch. Preheat your iron for 3 to 5 minutes on the highest setting possible. Always make sure your fabric can withstand the highest temperatures of an iron. Now, we're going to remove the liner. And we're going to insert with the adhesive side up. We're going to insert on the front side so we can align it and get it nice and straight. And we're going to iron the bottom for 10 to 15 seconds just to tack it down. And then we're going to go up to the top and iron it so we just make sure we don't have any bubbles. And then we're going to flip the pant inside out and iron the back. And this is where you're going to iron with pressure for about 50 to 60 seconds. Really making sure you get the best adhesion possible. Thanks for watching another one of our Iron Patches videos. If you have any questions, give us a call or visit our website at ironpatches.co.